is the Lego Harry Potter Weasley's Wizard WHEZES set. It has 2 houses, 2 sections of the house, and 7 minifigures. So let's start with the minifigures first. We got first, Ginny Weasley. Then we got Romilda Wayne, Ron Weasley, Lavender Brown, and Owl's Worker, really nice shirt, Fred Weasley and George Weasley in this set. And I think we should start off with the owl post. It got an entrance and nicely builded panel actually. Some sticker elements, but we will talk about those. And I read the post thing there. The inside is really not like anything good, or it's good for this kind of set. I mean, there's some letters on the second floor and a big sticker on the first floor covering up some, I don't know what. And then we got a golden owl on the entrance, and above that we have a door, and I don't know why there's like a stop right in front of it. But after that we can move on to the actual build, what is just amazing. I can say that. It is just amazing. I really like it, really. It's something really cool for a playset like this, and let's cover it up. First we have the entrances, pretty basic orange doors, what are actually quite cool, and the outside, the facade is so great with all window elements. I have to say it was a little bit pain to put those window elements, the glass there, you know, but the end result just looks amazing, and that's really what matters the most. Yeah, but the inside is covered with stickers. We got all sorts of, are these like toys? I don't know what. And we got so many boxes, and it's just looking really good. And I believe if you are a Harry Potter fan, you actually know something about this, and then it's going to be really fun to build. But myself, I don't know anything about Harry Potter, so that's great. And here, and more on the stickers, there's a lot, I have to say. There's 2 packets of the stickers, but you know what, I don't mind, because there wouldn't be so much good details without those, really. And on the outside, I just want to point out one thing. There's these really nicely put signs, you know, in those curves, is really thinking, and it made a good building experience, especially with the weird colors this has. Like, Lego doesn't do that much these colors, so it's really great to see then in such a quantity in this set. I think we have to now go to the final conclusion. Is this a good set? Yes, it is a good set. I really liked to build it. It was fun. even more funner if you are a great Lego Harry Potter fan. And actually these Lego Harry Potter houses, I have been buying them, and this is my second one. I can show you. The last one I didn't buy just one. I bought two. Yeah, so I really enjoyed the first one, and then I decided to make a city building into my Lego city, and then I just bought the two because I needed the parts, and that's the same what I did for this. So I have another box in the Lego city layout, and I'm going to post a Lego city update next Sunday, Thursday, I don't know what. And see you on Brick Mansion. Bye. Oh, wait. I just want to say that it's Christmas, and if we get like, I don't know, 65, 70 subscribers till the 24th December, I'm going to be just so happy, and we will do something crazy, like, I don't know, throw another set from the balcony, something fun. So please give me the gift for Christmas now. Bye.